What if you could create amazing, faceless videos, bilingual stories, and journal entries just by typing a prompt or uploading your voice? What if you had a toolbox of creative features that made video creation effortless, all in one place? Sounds too good to be true? Well, welcome to Mootion.com, where all of this and more is not only possible, but incredibly easy. Today, we're diving deep into how you can use Mootion's powerful tools to create high-quality videos in just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a marketer, or just someone with a story to tell, this platform might be exactly what you've been looking for. So, what can you actually do? You'll find a variety of creative tools right at your fingertips. These include journal creation, faceless short videos, bilingual stories, bilingual dialogues, photo collages, and even more. Sounds interesting, right? Let's scroll through the platform and explore the wide range of templates that are designed to help you get started quickly and easily. Let's begin with one of the most exciting features: journal creation. Ever wanted to turn your voice or thoughts into a beautiful visual story? Here's exactly how you can do it. Click on the Journal Creation button and you'll be presented with three simple options: Generate from prompt, Use my content, and Use my recording. Curious about how Use my recording works? In this option, you can create a journal entry using your own voice. Just pick a speech language of your choice from a list that includes Hindi, English, Japanese, Korean, and more. Once you've chosen your language, you can either record your voice directly through the platform or drag and drop an existing audio file from your device. Let's try uploading an audio file this time.
On a rainy Mumbai evening, Ayan, a struggling musician, met Mira, a fiery theatre artist.
After uploading, you'll be asked to choose the aspect ratio for your video. Depending on where you plan to publish your content, you can select from formats like 16:9 for landscape, 9:16 for portrait, or 1:1 for square. Now, it's time to choose your virtual style, and this is where things get creative. Mootion offers a wide range of visual styles like photorealistic, picture book, retro comics, 3D cartoon, and even more artistic styles to suit your message. Once your style is selected, simply click on the transcribe button. The system will now process your audio and convert it into text. This might take a few moments, so hang tight. When the transcription is complete, you'll be taken to a script editing screen. Here, you can fine-tune the content, editing or deleting sections of the script. Click the Generate button. The platform will now create a sequence of video scenes based on your script. You'll be able to preview each scene and its matching dialogue, edit the dialogues if needed, regenerate any specific scene, or even replace individual scenes with different visuals or styles.
On the eve of her flight, Ayan surprised her with a rooftop concert, his song confessing everything. On a rainy Mumbai evening, Ayan, a struggling musician, met Mira, a fiery theatre artist, when their umbrellas collided on Marine Drive.
Once you're satisfied with how the video is looking, click Next to proceed to the final stage. Now it's time to customize the finishing touches. You'll be able to choose your title style, add subtitles, select a thumbnail image, and apply transitions or special effects between scenes. But wait, there's more. At the bottom of the screen, you'll also find options to add AI-generated background music. You can choose a music style, set the tempo, and pick an emotional tone. You can preview each track by clicking the play button and select the one that best matches your video's mood. Once you've finalized all your customizations, click the composite button. Mootion will generate your video in just a few seconds.
On a rainy Mumbai evening, Ayan, a struggling musician, met Mira, a fiery theatre artist, when their umbrellas collided on Marine Drive. Sparks flew as music met monologue. Over cutting chai and midnight walks, their worlds blended. His melodies danced to her scripts. But when Meera got a chance to move to London, love faced a test. On the eve of her flight, Ayan surprised her with a rooftop concert, his song confessing everything.
And just like that, your personalized video is ready. All that's left to do is hit the download button to save it directly to your device. Now let's explore the video-to-video feature. First, click on the video-to-video option and upload your video. Once the upload is complete, your video will appear like this. You can choose to use just the audio, just the video, or both depending on your needs. Below that, you'll find a few customization options. Start by selecting the aspect ratio. Next, choose a visual style. You have several options like photorealistic, clay art, painting, anime, line art, and more. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the transcribe button. In just a few seconds, it will generate a complete video edit script for you. You can edit the script, add new lines, or delete anything you don't need. After customizing your script, hit the generate button. Mootion.com will now create scenes based on your original video, including both audio and visuals. You'll be able to preview all the scenes and their dialogues. If something doesn't fit, you can easily replace or edit it. Now click next to go to the final customization panel. Here you can adjust the video layout, choose from overlays like circle left, circle right, top, bottom, and more. Then select a title style and a subtitle style to match your theme. You can even upload a thumbnail. Want to add some effects? Pick from options like zoom, burn, shake, and more. You can also set your preferred transition style between scenes. And if you want background music, go ahead and pick your favorite track. Finally, once everything looks good, click on the Compose button. Within seconds, Mootion.com will generate your new video. Completely customized to your liking. And that's it. Creating a professional-looking video using the video-to-video feature is super easy with Mootion.com. Now, let's explore another incredible feature, Generate from Prompt. Have you ever asked yourself, can I create a video just by typing an idea? With Mootion, the answer is yes. Start by typing your idea or pasting any reference content into the prompt box. The system will automatically generate a complete video based on your input. Next, select your desired output language and choose the tone of your video. Whether you want a neutral, children's, business, or academic tone, the choice depends on your audience and your goals. If you'd like to take it a step further, you can even select an AI avatar to narrate the video. Then, choose your aspect ratio. After that, choose your preferred visual style. Once your settings are in place, click the Generate button. Within seconds, Mootion will create a storyboard that includes a full script and visual scenes matching your prompt. Click Next to move forward and customize your final video settings. Here, you can add or edit your title, pick a title style, enable subtitles, select a thumbnail image, and apply visual transitions to enhance the overall flow. When everything looks perfect, click the Composite button. Your video will be processed and generated within a few moments.
They convene in a secluded glade, exchanging thoughts and discoveries, their voices mingling with the surrounding natural symphony.
Next, let's explore the Use My Content feature. This option allows you to paste your own script and turn it into a brand new video creation while keeping your original content intact. To get started, simply paste your script into the input field. Then, Follow these steps. 1. Choose the language for narration or subtitles. 2. Select the aspect ratio. Pick a visual style from options like photorealistic, animated, clay art, and more. Once your settings are selected, click on the Generate button. The tool will now analyze your script and present a scene-by-scene breakdown. Here, you can preview and select the scenes that best match your content. After reviewing, click the Next button to move on to the final customization stage. Here, you can add or modify the video title. Choose different title and subtitle styles. Select a thumbnail, apply scene effects and transitions. When everything looks good, click on the Composite button.
Addy was just a common man waking before dawn, working tirelessly as a street vendor to support his family. Every day was a battle against poverty, doubt, and society's indifference. But Addy never gave up. When others rested, he learned. When doors
And boom, your video is ready. With just a few simple steps, you've transformed your script into a fully produced video. It's that easy with Mootion.com. And there you have it. Your final video is ready. With Mootion.com, creating high-quality personalized videos takes just a few minutes and requires very little effort. Whether you're creating for fun, work, or content creation, Mootion gives you all the tools you need to turn your ideas into stunning visual stories. So, what are you waiting for? Try it yourself and experience how easy and fun it is to make professional-looking videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on cool tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.